I'm that person who would always want to keep everyone together. क्योंकि
I'm
हम लोग
all
का शायद
ears,
इतना
I'm all
strong
ears.
one on one नहीं हुआ
क्या tacky things in relationships जो teenage में होती थी यार.
यार
Did
ऐसा
you ever
कुछ
do
भी
this?
हाँ
Textlationship.
क्या मैं इतना बड़ा हो गया हूँ
Until unless you have not completely ended something,
Yeah.
इधर उधर मुंह मारना cheating ही होती है.
I love 90s का प्यार
Same.
जिसमें no one matters.
But eventually you will learn what life gives you. If you get the right partner, you will somehow find both of these things. Hello everyone, welcome back to our very own show, Relationships, where we talk about love, heartbreak and all the beautifully chaotic crap in between. तो हमारे साथ आज गेस्ट हैं मसब मिस्री विच इज गुड एक्टर आई वुड से. सीख तो गए होगे अब तक है ना. काफी कुछ
काफी
सीख
कुछ.
गए होगे अब तक.
रोमांस अच्छा कर लेता
रोमांस
होता है.
ऑन स्क्रीन रोमांस अब ये
On
बेहतर कर
screen,
लेता है. यू नो
yes.
व्हाट. Oh, I didn't tell you this. So अभी मैं इस्लामाबाद में थी and I was called by PTV और
Okay.
उनके PTV headquarters से कॉल आई थी for an interview. और वो इंटरव्यू लिया भी ऐना ने था, मेरी बहन ने.
Okay.
और उसमें जो है वो निकली ये बात कि किसी सेट पे कभी कुछ बहुत फनी हुआ हो तो ऑल द फनी इंसिडेंट्स आई हैड वाज अबाउट आवर ओन ड्रामा जो हमारा था.
Okay.
एंड देन मैंने वो वाली बात भी
होना
डिस्कस
था
की
प्यार.
इसमें,
कौन सी वाली
रोमांस वाली.
जो मेरा और तुम्हारा पहला सीन था.
पहला जो रोमांटिक सीन था
Yeah.
हमारा.
वो हम लोग का पहला सीन था, राइट?
नहीं, हम पहले
yeah.
सीन दे चुके थे बट वो
उसी दिन पे,
रोमांटिक
that
हाँ
was our
उसी
first
फर्स्ट
day,
डे था. फर्स्ट
last
डे
scene, I guess, if
हाँ
I'm not
नहीं
wrong.
सेकंड लास्ट आई गेस.
हाँ.
बट सो मसब को ऑन स्क्रीन रोमांस करना नहीं आता.
But guys, मैं अब बहुत अच्छा रोमांस कर लेता हूँ. I think SR के जैसा तो कर ही लेता हूँ.
ओह माय गॉड, यू कैन नेवर रीच देयर.
But मैं बहुत अच्छा कर लेता हूँ.
आई डोंट नो, मतलब मेरे साथ तो ये हुआ था
करना
कि
पड़ेगा.
इसको मतलब उस सीन में मुझे इसका ऐसे हाथ पकड़ना था, ये यूं अकड़ गया. यानी कि ये क्या हुआ इससे. बट दैट वाज फनी.
Yeah.
हम
मैंने उस टाइम पे बहुत सारी चीजें सीखी थी, पता है?
उस सीरियल में.
Yeah.
हाँ वैसे इट वाज अ वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस हम सब के लिए.
It was a very long experience. My first proper drama experience. ठीक है, it might have not done that well or anything, but लेकिन it might not have caught that much eye.
I think the platform we got for that drama was not, you know,
That big or
हाँ that
anything,
big.
yeah.
So otherwise I think it was a good drama.
Yes,
It was
I believe that.
मतलब मैंने
That's
बहुत सारे, मैं यूजुअली टीवी नहीं देखती हूँ, मैं नहीं देखती बट
ओहो.
कुछ आपको चंक्स दिख जाते हैं तो काइंड ऑफ सिटकॉम्स और द काइंड ऑफ कॉमेडी आप अपने चैनल्स पे देखते हो, यू वो ज़बरदस्ती की कॉमेडी होती है.
हाँ,
एंड आई
लेकिन वो
फील
मजे की थी.
उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें नेचुरल निकल रही
Yeah.
थी क्योंकि हम बहुत इम्प्रोवाइज भी करते थे ना बीच में.
Yes, and I think we.
एंड द कैरेक्टर्स जो हमारे साथ भी थे वो भी एक
Oh, they
अलग
were
अलग कैरेक्टर ही थे.
amazing.
It
और
was
हम
fun.
लोग एक दूसरे we got along so well
We still
that
are
yeah
friends.
कि हम लोग मतलब naturally करते थे act.
हाँ,
I
कभी
believe that.
कभी वो फील नहीं हुआ कि कुछ जरूरी जोर से करना पड़ रहा है
Yeah,
ना, वो
yeah,
खुद ही
yeah.
सब निकलता था.
Except वो थप्पड़ों वाले part.
तुम्हें तो पड़ेगा ना.
नहीं मुझे नहीं पड़े, वो उसको लीड एक्टर को पड़े थे,
हाँ
रिमेम्बर. एंड पीछे मैं और मुस्तफा खड़े में एंड उसको थप्पड़ पड़ता है और हम लोगों के भी चेहरे यूं घूमते हैं.
हाँ
We still have the BTS of it.
yes.
Yeah.
अच्छा वो नेचुरल आया था
वो बहुत नेचुरल आया था.
है ना.
Yeah.
चलो कमिंग बैक टू आवर शो
Okay.
which is relationships. हमारा फर्स्ट segment is story time.
Okay.
I would like to ask, do you have any story of your own self from your past या कोई ऐसे दोस्त की या जानने वाले की जो हमारे इस relationship के नाम को define कर सके?
Relationship.
I am sure everyone have went through some shitty things in their relationships.
Yeah, okay, so I believe that relationship is a very beautiful thing. सही है. So I wouldn't call it a shitty thing.
No.
I know, but
see, not
or-
all relationships
हाँ.
are relationships. Some relationships are relationships.
Okay, हाँ होंगे, but लेकिन I believe
तुम्हारा
that
पर्सनल कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है?
यार मैं तुम्हें अपना चलो बताता हूँ. सही
हाँ
है.
ना.
Oh, you're
हाँ
all
ना.
excited, guys. She's like, oh, okay.
Yes.
क्योंकि
I'm
हम लोग
all
का शायद
ears,
इतना
I'm all
strong one on one नहीं हुआ. है ना?
क्या?
मतलब हम लोगों का इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग वन ऑन वन
हाँ,
नहीं
नॉट
हुआ।
एट दिस टॉपिक,
तुम्हें
मतलब
क्या
हमने
लगा मैं क्या कह
बहुत
रहा हूँ?
बहुत और किस्म के हमने
या एग्जैक्टली, और
शो
बाकी
लगाए
लोग
हैं।
बैठे होते हैं एंड लाइक
हाँ,
दैट, राइट? ओके, सो आई बिलीव दैट रिलेशनशिप इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल थिंग। सही है, हाँ ठीक है, आप लोग मिस्टेक्स करते हो, और हर एक रिलेशनशिप का फेयर शेयर होता है ऑफ गुड टाइम्स एंड बैड टाइम्स। तो आई थिंक मेरे रिलेशनशिप्स में गुड टाइम्स ज़्यादा रहे हैं, पर लेकिन बैड टाइम्स का वेटेज इतना ज़्यादा रहा है
ओह,
कि
that they overcome the
या,
good times.
तो फिर जो है ना, whenever I assess, I go like, fuck it. And then I would just,
So what happened? Give me a good embarrassing story.
अच्छा, embarrass.
Embarrassing, funny, whatever you feel. मतलब कुछ ऐसा जो you would laugh at this point in your life, which you had to go through in your past.
यार मैंने बड़ी आंखें बंद रखी हैं रिलेशनशिप्स में।
Oh, that explains a lot,
या,
by the way.
मैं बहुत आंखें बंद करके चलता हूँ, एंड आई वुड ट्रस्ट यू, ये वो इधर उधर, बट द मिनट यू ब्रेक माई ट्रस्ट, दैट्स इट, दैट्स द बॉर्डर लाइन।
I think that's for everyone, isn't it?
यार बट काफी लोग ना बड़े वो भी देते हैं।
दयालु भी हो जाते हैं, फिर वो कहते हैं कि अच्छा कोई बात नहीं।
हाँ, डिलूलू।
हाँ, वो दयालु नहीं डिलुलु हो जाते
हाँ, दयालु
हैं।
डिलूलू, वही मेरे माइंड में आया एकदम से। सो हाँ, मेरा मेरा भी यही है कि मतलब एक दफा ट्रस्ट टूट जाता है ना मेरा, फिर बस।
हाँ, that plus trust, I think it shouldn't be given that easily.
Oh yes.
This is something I learned in my life because I was someone who used to trust people very easily.
Hmm.
होता है जब आप ग्रो अप कर रहे होते हो तो आप अपने दोस्तों पे, बाहर के
Yes.
लोगों पे, यू आर लाइक वेरी इजी कि
हाँ.
अच्छा ठीक है ये तो अच्छा लग रहा है, या ये तो अच्छी बात कर रहा है, तो यू ट्रस्ट देम. बट
Yes.
now at this point in my life, I have learned that trust should be earned,
Yes, totally.
and the moment you've lost it, it's gone.
तुम्हें तुम्हें मेरा ट्रस्ट अभी तक जीतना पड़ेगा।
ये हम ऑफ कैमरा
ये
इसका
अभी तक
जवाब
जीती नहीं है
देंगे.
गाइस।
इसका जवाब हम ऑफ कैम देंगे, बट जी बिल्कुल.
Okay.
So you still didn't tell us the
Yeah, I
story.
know. I think I was thinking along with that. I think ऐसी कोई स्टोरी है नहीं मेरे पास।
Such a boring life you had.
ओ नहीं, मेरी लाइफ बड़ी एडवेंचरस
Such a
रही है।
boring life you had, trust me.
Such a boring people.
I mean like किसी ऐसा हर बंदे के पास ये कहानी है, तुम्हारे पास कैसे नहीं है?
थोड़ा सा मुझे अपना बताओ, क्या मतलब, ताकि थोड़ा मैं
यार so for example I have been that was not a relationship
Okay.
first, not even a relationship, it was just shit, ठीक है,
Oh, okay.
happening to me back in when I was in my teens, and the guy was way older than me, and
Okay.
he was one of our coaches, so
Okay.
basically from my end it was never at this point कि हम किसी relationship में, we were all friends.
Okay.
And then
So it
it
was a
turned
situationship.
not even a situationship.
Okay.
I was 16.
All right.
I was
Okay.
a kid back then.
Okay.
So it was like it's a very traumatic experience. But
Okay.
now you know, if I talk about the chunks of it, it makes me question myself, and it makes me sometimes कि यार बंदा कितना अच्छे हो सकता है कि how can you let this happen to yourself?
Yeah, but you don't
अब अगर
laugh at it, right?
yeah,
हाँ ना?
some of it is quite like, if this is happening to me 10 years ago, and that Nana was completely a different person, and that Nana was still exploring things,
Okay,
still
yes.
a lost kid,
Yeah.
trying to find her own place in this world. And
Hmm.
you know, we were so with that specific coach, we were kind of very friendly, and
Okay.
he used to help me out a lot, तो एक ट्रस्ट बिल्ड
Of
भी हो
course he
जाता
did.
है obviously. And at that point I didn't know why.
Yeah.
So I was just like being he's a good friend, he's a good coach.
Hmm.
So that turned out in a different way, that he had something else in his mind, and then he started controlling me, and I did let that happen. So
Oh,
one
damn.
day what happened was I did not agree to something he said, and we kind of had a disagreement.
Okay.
So what he did was मेरा फ़ोन छीना और चला गया.
अच्छा.
और now I'm standing on the road waiting for him कि अब मैं घर कैसे जाऊँ,
Okay.
क्योंकि so I belong from a very typical desi family which have like very strict rules and all. So I was like, अब मैं बिना phone के घर जाऊंगी तो I have to answer like 1,000 questions
Yeah, totally.
which I was not ready for after so much of trauma. तो अब मैं सड़क पे खड़ी हुई हूँ और आई एम वेटिंग कि मैं उसको कांटेक्ट कैसे करूँगी, मुझे कौन मेरा फ़ोन दे जाए यार.
And you were 16 at
I
that
was
time?
16 at that
Shit,
time,
man.
and somehow my younger sister, she was there, and like I had to be on the roads for next 2
I'm
hours.
so sorry about that.
For next 2 hours. अब अगर कोई मेरे करीब से भी ऐसा करके वो होता है ना आप हक जमाने वाला, मैं 2 चमाटे लगा के कहूँ कि बेटा आगे निकलो.
Totally. अच्छी
ठीक
बात
है
है.
ना. So this is the lesson I learned. But this trauma plus my partner, my current partner, have very strong issues with me laughing at my traumas. This is my coping mechanism. Okay, you know, all of us here, I think all of us, we laugh at our traumas to cope up with the pain.
Yeah.
Isn't it right?
At times, but then I think that we are trying to be cool, right? You know?
I'm
We're
not
like,
trying to
oh,
be
okay.
cool.
No, no,
I
no,
am
no, no,
cool.
no. I think in that certain part,
I
we're
mean,
just trying to be cool about it. That oh, okay, ha ha ha. What?
that
But lekin,
happened.
if we sit alone in a room and then if we
It
think
gives a
about
different
it,
impact. Yes.
तो तुम हंसोगी नहीं उस पे, तुम बोलोगी यार fuck मैंने कैसे
हाँ,
ये
ये
कर
how
दिया.
did I let this
Yeah.
happen to myself?
और तुम्हें हंसी भी नहीं आएगी खुद पे.
Yeah.
लेकिन हाँ अगर तुम
दोस्तों
चार
में बैठ
लोग
के कर रहे होते तो फिर
yes
तो हम हंसते हैं.
तो
तो
वो शायद तुम ना exactly वो तुम इस तरह कोप कर रही हो उसके
हाँ,
साथ.
तो वो इस तरह के. और I have like 1,000 stories जो not
अच्छा, I
even.
think we all have been in that place.
So these
So
are the shits ना.
I'm that person who would always want to keep everyone together, right?
Yeah.
मतलब अगर मैं तुम्हारे साथ हैंग आउट कर रहा हूँ ना, मुझे हमारे दूसरे दोस्तों को भी
हाँ
पूछना
हाँ,
है
अगर
गाइस
कॉल
आ
करके
रहे हो
यार
आ रहे हो
हाँ
आ
प्लीज आ जाओ.
सही है. अगर मैं हया से मिल रहा हूँ तो फिर मैं तुम्हें कॉल करूंगा, मैं
हाँ.
मुस्तफ़ा से पूछूंगा. आई वुड वांट टू कॉल एवरीवन.
या.
सही है. आई एम दैट पर्सन. और मैंने इसी तरह यूनिवर्सिटी से लेकर ग्रुप को एंड इस तरह सब लोगों ने मिल के ना इसी तरह हमारे फ्रेंड सर्कल को चलाया है. बट व्हेन आई गॉट इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप आई वाज अ कंप्लीट डिफरेंट एसोल. सही टू एवरीवन. ओके maybe I don't know what boat was that. मैं किधर घूम रहा था. मैं हर एक चीज़ भूल चुका था bro. And I was like ignoring everyone. ये
हाँ, you
वो
kind of find your own world where you're like happy and one person is enough for everything.
yeah, but
That
then
vibe.
you know it's so important कि आप time पे जाग जाओ. And I think I woke up
That's
right on time.
because then it ends up isolating yourself from
Yeah.
others and it's just one person जो
Yes.
आपको आपके honeymoon time period के बाद जहर लगने लगता है.
Oh yes. And I'm so glad. चलो सही है. Like I said कि हर relationship में fair share होता है, good times और bad times
Yeah,
का.
I'm sure.
But वहाँ से जब वो पट्टी हटी ना,
निकलते हुए that's a shock.
yeah. Now if ever I think about those situations, I'm like, dude, what the fuck?
Yeah, why would
Yeah.
I
मतलब
be
हो
doing
क्या
that?
रहा था?
हाँ मतलब and
You know?
इतनी आंखों पे पट्टी बंदी हुई थी कि कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा था. Like red
Yeah.
flags मुंह के आगे यूं फड़फड़ा
Oh,
रहे हैं. You
yes.
cannot see them.
Yes, totally. ये आपकी रेड बिंदी की तरह वो भी यूं ही थे right in front of my eyes.
But you cannot see them.
Yeah,
I'm
I
sure you
think
can see my bindi at
हाँ
least.
ना oh yes, and it looks really beautiful.
I always look beautiful, but thank
Yes.
you.
No, but the bindi. Yes.
Okay, so that was I think very good conversation. It was not a story,
Yeah.
but it was more of an intellectual conversation.
Yeah,
के
yeah.
What happens and how we let things happen to ourselves.
Yes,
But
yes.
again, before going on a guilt trip या अपने आप को सेल्फ ब्लेमिंग की तरफ जब जाते हैं ना, उससे पहले always remember that आज से कुछ टाइम पहले तक भी you are a different person.
Oh yes.
Every day,
Yeah.
with every experience, with every day ending, you learn something new.
Yes.
And the first thing, the first favor I would say you can do to yourself is forgive your own self. Because we are
Yeah.
very dayalu. जब हम लोगों की बात आती है हमें किसी को माफ करना है, we do it.
Yes.
खुद को नहीं माफ करते.
I agree on that point. And like what I do now, I don't blame anyone, I have just come forward and in my life that I'm just like, yeah, fuck it.
Yeah,
There
yeah.
is so much to look forward to.
Exactly.
And
These knicknacks doesn't mean anything anymore.
yeah, or
Like at this point, especially in our lives, I would say कि वो जो हम एक आइडियलिस्टिक किस्म के एक माइंडसेट से निकल के थोड़े रियलिटी बेस्ड चीज़ों की तरफ
yes,
आ चुके हैं, क्योंकि जब तक आप छोटे होते हैं, स्पेशली टीन एज में, वो एक रोम कॉम सिचुएशन होती है, हम पढ़ेंगे, डिग्री लेंगे, जॉब लगेगी, शादी हो जाएगी, कोई बंदा या बंदी मिल जाएगी जिससे हमें प्यार होगा, एंड देन वी विल
yes,
गेट मैरिड टू दैट पर्सन एंड विल हैव दैट happily ever after, which never existed ever. So now in this life, I would say कि we have learned कि okay, this is not gonna happen. You have to work your ass off. You have
yeah,
to pay your bills. You have to maintain your life, your personal life, your social life, and then your work life,
yeah,
with a certain balance where you do work, you don't get burned out. आप काम भी करो, आप थोड़ा फन भी करो, तो वो इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं कि ये वाली जो चीज़ें हैं ना, ये कहीं पीछे रह गई हैं.
yes,
अब ये
true
होता
that.
है तो इट्स लाइक अ पर्क और अ बोनस, नहीं होता तो यू आर नॉट इवन इफेक्टेड दैट मच,
Yeah,
है ना?
मैं इसका ये भी कहूँगा, what, I still do whatever my heart says.
Same.
और I would just do it. I would just do things
Without
like that.
thinking about consequences.
Yes.
Oh bro.
But still, like, somewhere थोड़ा ना वो guards high हो जाते हैं कि but ये चीज़ नहीं
Obviously
करनी
ना,
है.
this is the main
There
reason of
is a,
learning something.
yes,
You have to.
there is that trust part, there is that respect part, there is that being conscious in every moment part as well. So you just need to be like,
aware at
aware
least.
about
हाँ.
it. Yeah.
कि
So
no, don't let things happen to you.
हाँ, मतलब इतना पागल किसी के पीछे नहीं हो जाओ कि भाई,
हाँ.
you get it?
I तो get it भाई. I got it the
ये दिल
difficult
पे आया,
way.
I तो get it भाई.
I got this very difficultly, but
हाँ.
finally I got it.
चलो अच्छी बात है.
चलो,
देर है
let's
दुरुस्त है.
शुक्र है.
हाँ.
Let's move on to our second segment, which is
Alright.
hot takes and heartbreaks. तो इस सेगमेंट में आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सम टर्म्स जो कि जनरली हमारे जेंजी यूज़ करते हैं,
Okay.
और ये टर्म्स हम देखना चाहते हैं कि आप इन टर्म्स से कितने अवेयर हैं. आई एम श्योर कि इस तरह की बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमारे साथ हुई होती हैं, लेकिन हमें उनकी स्पेसिफिक टर्म्स नहीं पता होती.
Okay.
माइक्रो चीटिंग.
Damn, what's that? हल्की फुल्की चीटिंग.
हल्की आंच पे.
ऐसे ही किसी को देख लिया, चलते फिरते हाथ मिला लिया.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. सो माइक्रो चीटिंग इज समथिंग जिसमें आपके स्मॉल जेस्चर्स इन्वॉल्व हों, या स्मॉल इमोशंस, स्मॉल चीज़ें जो आप एक कमिटेड रिलेशनशिप में हैं, बट दैट डजंट मैटर, बट यू नो कि यू आर लीडिंग समवन ऑन, और बट यू आर नॉट इवन डूइंग समथिंग, बट यू नो कि इफ समवन लाइक्स यू तो आप उसको थोड़ा 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 थोड़ा, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड माइक्रो चीटिंग विद योर ओन पार्टनर. उसके साथ आप ब्रेड क्रम्बिंग कर रहे हैं.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
It is very interesting.
So if
Serendipitating.
I was aware of this term,
Mm.
micro cheating, right? I
Micro-cheating.
wasn't, but of course I know the pattern. So
Yeah, I'm sure you know the patterns.
yeah, because we all have been there. Still.
And I don't even feel like कि मुझे इस बात को छुपाना है कि यार मैंने तो कभी कुछ नहीं किया होगा यार.
हाँ.
मतलब I also were growing up, और
तो आप
मैं भी
अभी कह रही
इंसान
हो
थी, और
ऐसे?
हम सब ने we
अभी
all.
करती हूँ ऐसे?
नहीं यार, अब तो तुम्हें पता है how loyal I am with my relationship.
मुझसे
I'm in a
अब थोड़ा
committed
आजकल
relationship.
ऐसा हो जाता है, थोड़ा
आजकल like are you in a relationship right now?
No,
फिर तो तुम कर सकते हो ना. You're
हाँ.
allowed to do this.
Not a relationship.
Ew.
All right. Yeah, what was the next word?
Situation. I have a lot of terms. I'm gonna ask everything.
Okay.
Okay. Serendipitating.
Serendipitating. यार मैं इसके बारे में कल ही पढ़ रहा था. That how you end up at some place, right, out of nowhere.
No. Basically, this is the act of postponing your current partner.
Okay.
ठीक है. आप उसके साथ डेट्स पे नहीं जाओगे या उसको इग्नोर करोगे, उसको थोड़ा अवॉइड करोगे इन सर्च ऑफ समवन बेटर।
और ये कौन कर रहे हैं, जेंजी?
बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं। अबे जेनजीज का तो नाम बदनाम है बिला वजह, ये अजलों से चलती आ रही चीजें हैं।
हाँ।
हमने तो सिर्फ टर्म्स दिए हैं इनको,
ओह, हमने
ताकि
नहीं दिए, उन्होंने दिए। जेंजी ने।
मैं तो नोक पे पैदा हो गई थी ना।
जेंजी के टाइम पे हैं। ओके,
तो नोक पे आ गई थी तो
लेट्स से
मैं
ओके टू दैट।
आई एम नॉट ओके टू दैट बट आई नो द टर्म्स।
ओह, ऑलराइट ऑलराइट, ओके।
गैट्सबिंग।
Gatsby?
Gatsbying.
I don't know.
You don't know this? So basically, it is this term is inspired by the name. तुमने सुना होगा Gatsby, Scott Fitzgerald का जो novel है।
The movie, right? The
Movie as
Great
well, हाँ
Gatsby.
हाँ हाँ
Yeah,
हाँ।
yeah, yeah. I
तो
have.
ये
I've
उसी
seen it.
मूवी से भी, बट ये उसी से
Is it
term.
related to that movie as well? Like,
So in dating world, what happens
yeah.
is it refers to the act of posting impressive or glamorous content on social media to catch the attention of someone special.
Okay. All
So
right.
आप कुछ थोड़ा सा excessive sexy, थोड़ा सा excessive hot glamorous कुछ अपना post कर दें, so that वो बंदा आपको कहे कि either it's like very good or that person questions you कि यार why did you post this? You
Okay.
get their attention.
Ah.
And then you say, "Oh, I'm sorry." You delete it.
अच्छा.
You know, tacky things in relationships जो teenage में होती थी यार.
यार, I believe
Did
ऐसा
you ever
कुछ
do
भी.
this?
हाँ.
The Great Gatsby.
That was like a very long time back, but
I'm
yeah, I remember.
sure. मतलब now तो I don't think anyone would do it, but
No, no,
this
there are
is
people
something
who are doing it, and I mean, like,
in this
I
age.
yes, I wouldn't do it because I believe that if you're in a relationship, if you're with someone, तमीज से चलो यार, ऐसी हरकतें नहीं
हाँ,
करो, मतलब
but
लाइक एक ही पेज पे चलो, क्या मस्ती चढ़ी
then
हुई
फिर
है।
excitement खत्म हो जाती है, लोगों को
हाँ, ये
excitement
भी है,
चाहिए life
यहाँ
में.
के लोगों को स्पार्क चाहिए। 24
Sparkly
घंटे
life.
स्पार्क चाहिए।
Textlationship.
Dude, क्या मैं इतना बड़ा हो गया हूँ? Fuck. No, I don't know.
So this is the kind of relationship that just exists on texts. घूम फिर के एक ही बात पे आते हैं भाई, लेकिन मैं बता रही हूँ कि all kinds of conversations, commitments, whatever it's happening, it's just on text. No physical contact, no physical आपका आमना सामना, एंड वो टेक्स्ट पे ही रहती है बस उस रिलेशनशिप, उससे आगे
That's
नहीं
it.
निकलती. कैन यू कम आउट ऑफ सेक्सुअल कंटेंट इन
I mean, like, what's happening?
No,
अच्छा,
but
okay.
people are more,
They're just being
especially
there for
kids,
each other.
especially kids of teenage, like from 13, 14 till they're even 18,
अच्छा, मतलब
19s. They're more into like वो texting में
13,
वो जो
14, they're in a relationship now?
even younger.
All right.
I know, I
okay.
can feel it.
What was the word?
Textlationship.
Textlationship.
So the whole relationship is just in your conversation, text
Okay.
conversation.
All right.
So and I am very sure that this kind of things only happens to the teenagers. Because I don't think कि कोई थोड़ा सा भी mature बंदा
Or maybe long distance.
लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में कितना आप टेक्स्ट पे रह सकते, वीडियो कॉल पे भी आओगे, आप बात भी करोगे,
अच्छा, ये सिर्फ टेक्स्ट है।
सिर्फ टेक्स्ट पे रहते
Okay.
हैं ये लोग.
All right.
ऐसे भी हैं ऐसे लोग. तो were you ever in a text relationship? Think about it. I'm sure in your teenager
नहीं,
phase.
तब तो मेरे पास कुछ ऐसा था ही नहीं ना।
क्यों खत लिखते थे उस टाइम पे? कितने पुराने हो
नहीं
तुम?
नहीं, फोन नहीं था मेरे पास अपना पर्सनल और एनीथिंग, तो मैं ऐसी कोई हरकत भी नहीं करता था। एंड आई वाज अ वेरी दैट किड जो बाहर जाता था कजन्स के साथ, घर वालों के साथ, ये वो, और फिर रात में जल्दी सोता।
डोमेस्टिक बच्चे थे तुम.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, that's how I was a very basic kid.
Boring. But I also didn't have a cell phone in my teenage, but I was never boring.
हाँ,
I was very excited. And
ऐसा क्यों
exciting.
तुमने exciting किया?
You have
अच्छा,
no
हाँ, she was in a
idea.
relationship
I was
16.
never in a
अच्छा,
relationship.
sorry.
That was a
Yeah, I
different
shouldn't
story.
quote that. It was a
That was a
bad
different
experience.
story. But I'm open to talk about it. It
Okay,
wasn't a
okay, yeah.
relationship. It was it turned in abuse basically.
Oh, damn. I'm sorry.
But that's fine. Fuck that fucker.
Okay, moving on.
Moving on to our third segment, which is
Oh, ये खत्म हो गया word?
हाँ. मतलब
अच्छा
मैंने सबके लिए इट्स लाइक इन एवरी शो आई टेक 4 to 5 terms टू
ओके
सी कितनी
जिनमें से मुझे
एक्नॉलेज है.
एक भी नहीं
एक भी
पता
नहीं
थी
आती
यार
थी. फेल. अगली दफा याद करके आना. Okay, so our third segment is toxic or timeless. इस segment में I am going to give you a situation and I will ask, is this a red flag or a green flag?
ओके
So your situation is they're isolating you from friends and other parts of your life. Is it a signal of controlling kind of a relationship or codependency?
of course they're trying to make you dependent on them
That is
सही
controlling.
and ताकि of
Codependency में,
course
the other person is also doing this for you. I
okay
feel that
okay
they should never do this
हाँ
because
आई थिंक बोथ साइड से ऐसा होना ही नहीं चाहिए
नहीं होना चाहिए because
yeah
beside them you yourself is a whole complete individual.
yeah
You
I
have
guess
all
you
the
know
rights to maintain that.
yes I guess you know what happens is like there are times when your partner और मतलब वो आपको देखती है ना इफ़ यू आर वेरी आउट गोइंग और इफ़ यू आर लाइक आउट देयर दैट मच विद इन योर फ्रेंड्स और लाइक दैट सो आई थिंक उसको ना कहीं पे इनसिक्योरिटी आती है वेयर शी स्टार्ट्स थिंकिंग कि ओके लेट्स कंट्रोल दैट पार्ट एंड
Yeah, I feel that also is very immature
यस इट
because
इज़
before being in this relationship, my current relationship, I might have a different perspective about this because especially the male जो हमारे फैक्टर्स हैं लाइफ में वो हमारे पेरेंट्स में फादर हो या ब्रदर हो they are taught to be someone who have to control the females of the family. ठीक है, वो आपकी बेटी होगी, वो आपकी बहन होगी, वो आपकी कज़न होगी. यू ऑलवेज वुड क्वेश्चन दैट गर्ल कि ऐसे क्यों, ये क्यों, वो क्यों. तो वन थिंग, एंड आई एम नॉट समवन जो जेंडर बाइज्ड हो. आई एम सॉरी, आई एम नॉट समवन जो जेंडर बाइज्ड हो. आई डू वर्क फॉर women empowerment and all, but I always speak for the people who are suffering. So that includes males as well, kids as well. So I am not someone who is gender biased, but this is a very common practice. मतलब बहुत छोटी एज, आपका भाई 5 साल का होगा ना, बहन 15 साल की होगी, तो वो भाई को लेके जाना होगा बहन को, क्योंकि वो एक प्रोटेक्टर है जी उसका, विच इज़ काइंड ऑफ शिटी. ठीक है, तो ये एक माइंडसेट डेवलप किया हुआ होता है.
अच्छा
सो
यू नो लकीली माशाल्लाह से इट वाज नेवर इन आवर फैमिली
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह,
yeah
दैट्स अ
I
वेरी
have
पॉजिटिव थिंग, बट द
yeah I have 5 sisters and then 2 brothers and then it's me so 7 siblings
हाउ
my brothers were older than me but they never had to like take my sisters anywhere
या
because हम लोग मेरे पर
बट
खास
सी
में भी रहे हैं
सी मसब द थिंग इज कि हाउ मेनी फैमिलीज यू फाइंड लाइक योर्स, very few.
yeah
So
true that
majority में this is the story I'm telling is very common.
yeah
ठीक है, तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन प्रैक्टिस जो हमारे कल्चर के या हमारे इस ख़त्ते के आदमियों को पढ़ाई सिखाई और घुट्टी में पिलाई जाती है, जिसमें उनका एक प्रोटेक्टर फेस जाग जाता है. एंड
yeah
द फीमेल्स दे काइंड गेट प्रोन टू दैट कि वो अच्छा उनको उनको आदत हुई हुई होती है, क्योंकि बचपन से उन्होंने बाप के साथ, भाई के साथ, कजन्स के साथ यही देखा होता है. मामे चाचे सब आ जाते हैं पाठ पढ़ाने अपना.
yeah
तो व्हेन इट कम्स टू द बॉयफ्रेंड,
hmm.
they're used to it. They kind of accept it.
yeah
ठीक है, somehow. Now, when I am in this, mashallah, mashallah, very healthy and very positive relationship, I found this कि when my partner have a problem with someone, we talk about it.
hmm.
We talk about what are his concerns. I convey what things I like feel comfortable around that certain person we are talking about, the situation we are talking about. So we kind of make a middle path जहाँ पे I am not completely out of my comfort zone and he's not even someone जो कि वो distress में है या वो परेशान हो रहा है. Generally he's someone who never stops me seeing my friends. He even encourages me because I was someone जो पिछले 3 साल से I didn't make friends properly. I didn't used to go out of the house. मैं 3 साल घर में रही हूँ because I never had that intention or the need of having more friends.
yeah
For me, he was like fun. He was the only person, he was my best friend. So I was good with that. But then he was like, listen, you have to make your social life. And finally I listened to him. I have got some really good friends around. I go out.
Thank you.
I yes. I go out, sit with people, I play games. मैं रात को काफ़ी लेट भी आती हूँ. I just drop him a text because he's concerned about my own safety, which I understand. क्योंकि it's
वो
not
तो
like कि
आप
आपको किसी को अपना schedule देना है. It's
हाँ.
like कि I'm safe and home.
Yeah. I think that's normal.
That's normal. That's fine. Acceptable.
कोई सामने ये नहीं कह रहा कि oh why are you coming now at this
हाँ,
point ये
and
वो
and
इधर
he
उधर.
he he just says कि you have to sleep better. You need to work on your sleep patterns. I do understand that where this is also coming from.
Yeah.
क्योंकि उसमें भी अगर कुछ शेडी होता तो अब तो मैं पकड़ लेती, अब तो मैं प्रो हो गई हूँ पकड़ने में. तो आई एम ब्लेस्ड नाउ कि and this thing changed my perspective about a lot of things, about a lot of other things which have been happening, which were acceptable for me somehow. आप annoyed होते हो, suffocate होते हो, but eventually you kind of settle down with that. This is how we have been taught. But ab I feel like there's better.
Yes.
There's more to learn. There's more to understand about.
Yes.
Because he himself is not an insecure person, first thing. Second, we have a very good trust bond.
Okay, that's
I never question him. He never questions me. Whenever we both feel uncomfortable about something, we talk about it. Third is the conversation. आपके relationship की जो अच्छे relationship की जो key है ना, that's conversations.
Yeah.
Talk about things. with
Keep
your partner.
communicating about it.
So I feel like these are the best thing you can find in a partner when you're looking for someone. और अगर आपको इनसे हट के कोई इधर उधर जाता हुआ दिखे, फौरन भाग जाओ, दौड़ लगा दो. So, in your opinion,
this is controlling.
This is controlling.
Yeah.
I also agree. This is controlling.
Yeah.
Chalo ji, let's move on to our fourth segment, which is toxic or timeless.
Okay.
यहाँ पर हम आपको कुछ questions लेंगे और हम जानना चाहेंगे कि इसमें आपका क्या
Red flags वाला
take
हो
है.
गया हमारा.
That was the red flag, ना? That was controlling. It was red flag.
Yeah. Okay.
हो गया. Okay, we were on a break, legit or just an excuse? So the situation is, if you or your partner or some other two people cheat, but the excuse they give or the reason they give to their partner is, okay, we were on a break.
Yeah.
Is it a legit thing or it's just an excuse?
Just an excuse.
है ना? I also
Yeah.
feel कि until unless you have not completely ended something,
Yeah.
इधर उधर मुंह मारना चीटिंग ही होती है.
Exactly. मतलब like आप वहाँ पर कह रहे हो, एक दूसरे के साथ वादे कर रहे हो, और फिर just because थोड़ी सी आप में अनबन हो गई, and then उसके बाद थोड़ा सा
You
एकदम
took
से
some
side.
space for yourself.
Yeah, and then if you're just going out there और आप मुंह मार रहे हो या क्या, it's just doesn't make any sense.
Yeah,
It
that's
doesn't go with
I
the.
guess disrespectful to your
Yeah,
partner.
it's very disrespectful actually.
Yeah.
आपको तमीज से बैठना चाहिए भाई, 2 मिनट दो तो अपने
हाँ.
आप को तो तमीज से दो. ऐसी क्या अंदर चुल जो like you just have to.
कुछ तो चाहिए हर वक्त करने
Yeah,
को.
I mean like तमीज से बैठो भाई, काम करो, बाहर भी तो
काम नहीं ना
निकलो.
करना उनको. Love letters or spicy texts? Which is a better love language?
Oh, I like both of them.
है ना?
Yeah.
Me
I mean,
too.
if you
I
go
would
towards
love to
old
receive a letter
right?
written by hand. I would love to receive
not
it.
even typed one.
हाँ, मतलब वो जो हाथ से
handwritten.
लिखा
Oh, I
हुआ
love
हो ना,
those.
God, yeah,
I
that's so
love those.
romantic. That's so romantic. और
Yeah.
spicy text तो that comes in another
That
area, but
that is there.
that also great if you get any.
Huh? Yeah.
I don't get any.
रोज आते हैं.
अच्छा जी, are situationships just lazy relationships? I would say yes.
What? Can you repeat?
क्या situationships lazy relationships होते हैं?
Maybe. I mean, like you just cannot make your mind na.
Yeah, I think
मतलब if you want
this
to
have
date.
a lot of other contexts. Like lazy, yes. But second, maybe your partner who is not ready to commit is scared of something.
Yeah.
उसकी कुछ रूट कॉज कहीं पीछे फंसी हुई हैं जिसकी वजह से आपकी भी ऐसी की तैसी हो रही है. तो यू बेटर जस्ट ईदर सॉर्ट दैट थिंग आउट और भाग जाओ, सब भाग जाओ, सब अपने पार्टनर से छोड़ के भाग जाओ.
I think हाँ सही है.
क्योंकि if
I
someone is not giving you commitment, there's something wrong.
Yeah,
I've
but
seen,
sometimes it's just
yeah,
like
for
you
a
know like
while I understand कि
yeah.
अच्छा ठीक है यार अभी it's too soon या अभी I'm not ready, but वो अभी से सालों गुजर जाते हैं.
हाँ इसमें तो है बात.
ठीक है, और फिर वो अभी कभी नहीं आता. Is dating your friend's ex a crime or just bad taste?
Dating
Both.
your ex,
Friend's ex.
friend's ex, friend's ex. Of course, it's a crime. I mean, there is
है ना?
a
I think both. Because one, when your friend is dating someone, एक तो ये आपका वो जो sister और brother code होता है आप उसको
yeah,
exploit
bro
करते हो.
code. You cannot break that.
दूसरा, you know कि वो क्या fuck ups कर रहे हैं. So it's
Exactly.
bad taste as well. मतलब why are you keeping yourself there?
यार वो तो देखो ना अगर क्या पता for example like हर कोई वो evolve करता है ना right
But still
with the
यार,
time.
again आपका क्या उसके वो evolve
मैं
तो
तो
ठीक है,
बोलूँगा
आप तो
it's a
तुक्के पे जा
crime.
रहे हो ना फिर.
I think it's a crime.
For me it's both.
Okay.
Who's more unhinged, the good night selfie person or the paragraph texter?
Okay.
Okay.
Good night. Yeah, I think good night is okay. Yeah.
Good night selfie person. Like every night you receive someone's good night selfie.
लेकिन आजकल तो streaks चलती है ना. Okay, good night. Okay, signing off. सही है.
For me it's annoying. मतलब शायद 2-4 दिन में बर्दाश्त कर लूँ, लेकिन एक ही शक्ल मुझे हर रात अलग एंगल से सेल्फी भेजेगी तो मैं तो annoy हो जाऊंगी उससे. मैं तो fuck what's wrong with you? मतलब पता
I
लग
think
गया.
I would just type okay cutie good night.
Again it depends कि आपको कितना खूबसूरत बंदा टेक्स्ट कर रहा है अपनी कितनी खूबसूरत शक्ल
Oh
दिखा के.
yes.
क्योंकि there are some things which I cannot cope up with. वो मैं
Okay.
तुम्हें off
And
cam
that
बताऊंगी.
अच्छा okay.
अभी मत पूछना. So now we are move to our next
Okay.
rapid fire. Which is the bigger red flag? Bad texter or still follows their ex?
Still follows their ex.
Yeah. Worst behavior: crying during an argument or quoting their therapist mid-fight.
I think I would give it to crying. I mean I would respect it but लेकिन
See, not every time. Na? I do get it कि emotionally आप जब, but every time you're trying to talk to someone, that person starts crying.
हाँ तो ये अच्छी बात नहीं है ना.
ये अच्छी बात नहीं है because then
हाँ.
conversation तो होगी नहीं. You're always
Yeah.
like एक बंदा रो रहा है
Exactly.
दूसरा उसको संभाल रहा है वाला
हाँ.
situation आ जाएगी. And even
Been there.
even the therapist वाला scene कि आप mid
वो
of the
भी अच्छा
fight
नहीं है.
अपनी
Exactly.
हर चीज को वो आप जो terms देना शुरू हो जाते हैं ना, मेरे therapist ने भी ऐसे कहा था.
Yeah.
That's so
That you
annoying.
cannot
That
do
that
that.
should not
Yeah.
happen.
I mean like it's there ज़्यादा जिसका weightage है वो है बात.
Exactly.
Crying वाला.
Crying wala, because
Yeah.
that becomes annoying.
Yeah. मत रोया करो ना.
Disclaimer: I used to do this.
Oh, I know.
But because I had a lot of unsolved traumas
Yeah.
that used to happen to me, and I've worked on myself a lot, तो अभी तो I'm good. Like even now in this relationship, we can talk about like difficult stuff,
Good.
and I'm not crying.
I'm happy for you.
Because
You're
पहले
evolving.
मैंने बहुत मैं बहुत रोना पिटना मचा देती थी. Like not to them कि मुझे इसने ऐसे कह दिया ये क्यों हो गया, but because मैं emotionally I was so vulnerable at some point in my life that uh, you know the thought of being left alone was extremely scary कि मैं choke हो जाती थी.
Oh.
तो it was that bad.
So you have this phobia of not being alone or of staying
At some
alone?
point in my life I had this fear of left alone.
Okay.
Because from a very young age I had to face a lot of issues, and I went through a lot of difficult shits. So this became my unknown fear which I was not even aware of कि ये मेरे साथ होता है, या मुझे separational anxiety है, या मैं emotionally इतनी dependent हो जाती हूँ किसी के साथ.
अच्छा, these are actually like these are actually the terms. This actually happens with people.
Yeah.
अच्छा मुझे separation anxiety किसी हद तक थोड़ी सी होती है. Actually होती है, yes. But fear of being left alone or anything like that. So yeah,
Plus,
that
you know
happened.
what? I've been living alone since now a very long time.
Yeah.
And I was someone who had this fear.
Hmm. So
The,
you have overcome that fear.
now I have, yes. Now I'm very much fine. I rather would be in a good, healthy relationship or would be alone.
Yeah.
No beach ka chepan.
Exactly, because I
Because
think कि
I
वो
don't
इतना
need that
important है.
constant toxic energy in my
Yeah.
life.
I think आपको अपने आप को समझकर अपने साथ रहना भी ना, that's also a task.
That's a task. And that's the best thing you can do to
Oh, it's
yourself.
amazing.
It's amazing.
The best thing.
Yeah. Okay, coming back to our questions, green flag or boring? Someone who's never been in love.
Boring.
Boring.
Yeah.
है ना?
मतलब
No
पता तो होना
stories to
चाहिए.
tell your children.
Exactly.
हाँ,
उसके बाद अगर आपके साथ आ रहे हैं, सही है,
तो
तो
उसका तो सब कुछ first time होगा ना, and then
हाँ,
you have to like
exactly.
be the समझदार one and
You have to guide.
that's so off.
Yeah.
I understand. Yeah. What's your most toxic but lovable trait?
Lovable. I think I'm very protective, caring, and okay, I show a lot of love. A lot of love. तो वो I
That
think
can be
एक
annoying for some
yeah,
some
exactly.
people
And
in some
yeah, and
specific
I think
times.
I
Yeah.
totally understand and respect that part. But लेकिन हाँ थोड़ा हो जाता है ज़्यादा.
I do get it. Okay, so our next question is, what's your type? And be honest, is it just your childhood trauma or you really are into those people? What's your type?
Okay. What's my type? If I am really into those people or it's my childhood trauma.
Trauma.
Hmm. Okay. I very recently heard that it could be my childhood trauma. And but I am working on that part and I have
पहले वो बता दो कि तुम्हारी टाइप क्या है.
अच्छा मेरी टाइप क्या है ओके 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 यार सो माय टाइप इज अच्छा मैं बड़ा ना वो बंदा हूँ जिसको 90s वाला प्यार भी
Oh
चाहिए
God, I love that. Yes.
सही है एंड
But आपको 2025 वाली, all the
practicality
practicality भी
and
चाहिए.
all of that सही है
That's very difficult to find.
yeah it is but I love 90s का प्यार
Same.
जिसमें no one matters
Yeah,
yeah
same. But
yes
eventually you will learn what life gives you.
एग्जैक्टली फिर वो आ जाता है कि आपको दुनिया के साथ भी चलना पड़ता है राइट
My God. But you know what? If you get the right partner, you will somehow find both of these things in
Yeah.
them. Because with you specifically, they will be all those like tacky and 90s ka love and
yes
वो dance और वो वाले सारी music with you specifically. But
Yeah.
when it comes to your real current life,
I
they
love
will be.
dancing. I love doing
Oh
those
my
things
God,
like
you know what? What's our, like, me and my partner's fun time?
yeah
Guess.
dancing
Guess.
घर में बैठे हुए ऐसे ही डांस करना
So what we do is हम 90s का Bollywood stuff हम लगाते हैं, ठीक है?
Yeah.
और उसके बैकग्राउंड डांसर्स के स्टेप्स फॉलो करते हैं. This is our fun time.
Oh
God, this is fun, right?
yeah I
We
mean
do
like
this. We do
this
this
sounds
a
so
lot.
cool
Yeah, yeah.
अच्छा
वो
मैं तो
ओले
घर में
ओले
भी
and
ना
all those
oh
songs हमें
ओले
सब
ओले
हमें सब बैकग्राउंड डांसर्स के स्टेप्स याद हैं.
nice करके दिखाओ
After this. Plus, I charge for dancing. Okay, so they respond to your deep texts with memes. Emotionally fluent or emotionally unavailable?
unavailable
You know?
yeah totally
So if someone does this to me, I would literally fuck that person up.
yeah I mean like वहाँ पे हो क्यों पहली बात निकलो वहाँ से
They say they don't believe in labels. Emotionally evolved or commitment phobic? I would say commitment phobic.
commitment
Because
Totally,
emotionally
yeah.
evolvement does not mean कि you do not give your labels.
लेबल और उसके हिसाब से तो आपको और प्रोटेक्टिव होना चाहिए
Not
and
even
with all of
protective.
the,
I do
no
understand that you're
regarding
not
like with the labels
you are
and
not
everything.
someone who is going to control someone or who is going to give away their own life for
Yeah.
someone. I get it. Emotionally evolvement समझ आती है.
I
But
think
I think this is more जिसे कहते हैं ना immature.
yes I think label is making your partner feel secure सही है
Even for your own self, yeah.
Exactly.
It's an achievement
Right?
कि यार मैं finally I'm getting married to the person
Yes.
I love is something very huge.
Totally, yes.
है ना?
I know.
For me, it's like something very big.
Hmm.
Okay, they keep telling you they're not ready for a relationship, but keep acting like your partner, delulu or manipulative.
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 Yes.
Plus delulu as well, क्योंकि बहुत सारे हैं कुछ crackheads who does
Yeah.
these things. So Masab, how was your experience with us at our show?
It was actually fun, you know?
We are actually done with all of our segments and
Oh, that's
everything.
great.
Did you feel like कि हमने कुछ drag किया, कुछ extra?
Actually, you know, before coming, since this is my first podcast, so
Oh, you
yeah,
never
like
been to a
proper,
podcast?
yes, this is my first one, and I thought that पता नहीं क्या होगा and how it goes, ये वो. I think it's just two people talking and
Yeah,
then
it's
just
very chill.
discussing
I
life.
always keep my guests very comfortable in that way कि you don't have to worry about the camera. Forget the camera, talk to me.
Yeah.
So I always create that vibe कि हम कैमरे को देख के कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ओवर बना के नहीं कर रहे. You have seen the energy ना कि
Yes,
it's almost
exactly.
the
Maybe
same
because
when we sit at Chai Master.
I think it's the same.
It's
I
the
think it's the
same.
same.
It's the
So
same.
yeah,
So you enjoyed it.
I actually had
We
fun.
also
मजा आया.
enjoyed the all the stories and all the input you gave us about
Yeah.
what relationships should be and how relationships happened in our lives and
Yeah.
the reasons.
Acha, okay, my there is an advice I would want to give
Ha,
everyone.
that is something I was about to ask you. Okay,
Okay.
you have to give a good advice to our audience.
Yes. Yeah, my advice to all of the people is that, you know, trust yourself and just don't go after any other person you guys meet. और देखो खूबसूरत हर कोई हो सकता है, सही है. I mean, like, what my point is that I know. What okay, that
I
not
get
the
it.
right
I
words.
get it. I get
But
it.
like, my point is that, you know, work upon yourself.
Yeah.
Don't just go after
Do
any
not settle
other
down
person.
for less.
Exactly. Not bare minimum. Like,
Yeah.
of course, there is so much to explore within yourself that, you know, those things are eye openers and everything. But I think अगर आप खुद को अच्छे से explore कर लो ना, and then you find or look for someone, और चलो relationship के बीच में ही करते रहो, खुद को neglect मत करो, just
Yeah.
to
Do not
be in someone's eyes,
good
or I was like,
books or be acceptable for someone. You
yeah,
kind of lose yourself. That's the worst thing you can do to yourself.
exactly.
Yes.
Eventually, you're gonna lose yourself.
You know
You're
what?
gonna lose the self-respect.
I was in a situation once in my life, back in my history, where like completely even started wearing the desi kameez shalwars.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong with that, but I'm not
Yeah.
that person.
Yeah.
I never wore kameez shalwar like.
But वो क्या तुमने दिल से किया था?
Obviously not. Otherwise, I would still be doing it.
Yeah.
I would still be doing. I was like that was the controlling situation. Ke now I have to dress up the way they want. So eventually you start doing it, but later
I
on you
think
question.
कोई मसला नहीं है किसी के लिए इस तरह ड्रेसअप करना, लेकिन जब वो दिल से है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Yeah. Recently, अभी मैं तुम्हें इसमें एक चीज़ ऐड करती हूँ कि I left something I really loved.
Okay.
And not because कि I've been asked. क्योंकि जब ये question उठा था तो we both ended up in front of our therapist. We
Okay.
had to take a couple therapy. बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ पे. But it became so big because for me it was someone who was questioning me. And this is something I cannot bear. I cannot someone bear questioning me or my decisions, because now at this point in my life I have become someone who have learned something for a lot of difficult experiences. कि मैं अगर कोई डिसीजन लेती हूँ तो दैट मीन्स कि आई हैव सम बैकग्राउंड लर्निंग या कोई बैक ट्रैक होगा उसका. व्हेन समवन क्वेश्चंस मी, स्पेशली अगर कोई मेरे पहनावे पे या मेरे तौर तरीक़ों पे क्वेश्चन करता है, तो दैट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. बट द थिंग विच आई वॉज नॉट गेटिंग वॉज समथिंग कैन बी ट्रिगर फॉर द अदर पर्सन.
Okay.
Because he also is coming from a different family, a different background, a different life. And that is something which I still love, but I don't even feel like doing it.
Okay.
And I do all the different things which my partner does not like. I will tell you later. I do
Okay.
all of those things. ऐसा नहीं है कि he's controlling me, but this specific one thing which, because I saw okay, the intentions were not to question me. The intentions were not to control me, and this is a legit problem with him. I left
Hmm.
it because it came from inside.
Yeah.
So whatever you do, do it when it is coming from your, very inner self.
Yes.
Otherwise, you're just forcing yourself, and it will make you suffocated.
Yeah. True that.
है ना?
Yeah.
चलो मतलब आई हैड लॉट ऑफ फन एंड आई एम श्योर कि हमारी ऑडियंस को भी बहुत मज़ा आएगा. वी विल मीट यू विद अ न्यू गेस्ट वेरी सून. तब तक के लिए प्लीज़ हमारे बाकी जितने सोशल मीडिया पे फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप, नहीं व्हाट्सएप तो नहीं होगा, फेसबुक, क्या क्या होता है, यूट्यूब, इंस्टाग्राम पेज,
Instagram.
फॉलो दैट. और आप हमें अपनी स्टोरीज भी भेज सकते हैं सो दैट हम उनको भी anonymously अपने शो में ऐड करेंगे, एंड देन वी कैन टॉक अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. थैंक यू. बाय.